Why do European museums have thousands of royal portraits, but zero real images of Africa's greatest king? Follow me if you're tired of them erasing every trace of Shaka Zulu and African resistance. Notice how they preserve what serves them and erase what threatens them. You think this happened by accident? Here's what will make you furious. While every European ruler got painted in grand portraits, colonization made sure no accurate image of Shaka existed. Instead, they drew fake sketches showing him as a monster. But here's what should terrify you today. They have detailed paintings of every colonial governor who stepped foot in Africa, but somehow lost all visual records of the king who built the most powerful African kingdom. Ask yourself this. If Shaka was really just a savage tyrant, why were they so afraid to show his actual face? The erasure was intentional. Control the image, control the memory, make sure future generations never see what African royalty actually looked like. Comment, they hid his face, and follow for more buried Zulu truths schools don't teach you.